Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the volume flow indicator for MT4. This long-term trend following tool analyzes volume data and price changes using a modified unbalanced volume approach, displaying lines that signal accumulation and distribution phases. In this video, you will see how the volume flow works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The volume flow indicator is designed to identify and follow trends in the markets by analyzing volume data using the unbalanced volume indicator and moving average indicator. Similar to unbalanced volume, it's a long-term trend following analysis that compares the change in the mean price with a cutoff value based on standard deviation rather than comparing close prices of two consecutive bars. The volume for each bar is then given a sign, positive or negative, depending on the comparison made, with the ratio of cumulative sum of directed volume to average volume over the previous 50 bars exponentially smoothed as the end result. You can see it's already installed on our charts. The volume indicator displays as lines in a separate window, with values higher than 0 being bullish and suggesting long-term accumulation. Conversely, negative levels signify distribution and are therefore a bearish signal, providing clear visual cues about the flow of volume in and out of the markets. Divergence in volume may indicate a trend reversal, which is another purpose for the indicator, as when it fails to indicate a new high or low in a cycle, the trend may be losing steam. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. Okay, so we can customize the volume method for waves, and we can customize the themes as well. We can also customize our preferred colors and trade on our preferred time frames. As for who is for, the volume flow indicator is suitable for traders who want a trend following approach that can be relatively safe in volatile markets, clear and concise buy and sell signals for informed decision making, and early detection of potential market trends. As a leading indicator based on OBV, it tends to predict market movements rather than simply following them, capitalizing on sustained price movements while mitigating risks of sudden reversals. However, the VFI may give false signals in choppy or range-bound markets, resulting in unprofitable trades, may not be suitable for all trading styles or perform well in all market conditions, and requires good understanding of volume data and how it relates to price movements. You can download the volume flow indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how analyzing the flow of volume using modified OBV and moving averages can predict market movements and identify accumulation and distribution phases. If you like volume-based leading indicators for trend following, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.